How to delete or remove a listing on Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete or remove a listing of a property from Airbnb. Now it's quite simple. You want to simply open up your Airbnb application, right? You should get an freeze like this. Now this is on the traveling page here. You want to tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then under hosting you'll see switch to hosting option. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to switching to hosting. Right now here what you want to do is on the hosting, here you'll get the menu option at the bottom right corner. Simply tap on it and here you'll get an freeze like this. Now here at the very top you'll be able to see your listing right here. In my case I don't have any listing, as you can see here, but if you do have a listing you'll be able to find it right here. If you just tap on that particular option you'll be able to choose the number of listings that you have. Now my listing has just loaded up, 2 listings, as you can see. I'll just load it up now. However, it's in progress, as you can see here. Now if I tap on the particular progress or listing here, you can see it's not loaded up. So what you want to do is once you open up that listing, you want to head into the booking option. Under booking you want to scroll down and head into status option, and under status there you'll get the option, 2 different options that says list and deactivate. Simply tap on deactivate and go through the prompts. You'll be able to delete your listing. So this way you can delete a listing on Airbnb. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.